Hello friends, welcome on my channel Technical Classes. Today's video is related with the flag register. Okay. In the previous video, I explained the different types of register in 8086 microprocessor. Today I will explain the last type of register, that is the flag register, which is most important type of register. Student, if you like my videos, then please like my channel and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so now I will start flag register. As the 8086 is a 16-bit microprocessor, flag register is also 16-bit. Okay, and that 16-bit flag register is divided into two parts. First is the condition code flag or status flag, and second is the machine control flag. Okay, the flag register of 8086 is divided into two parts. First is the condition code flag, or we can say status flag, and second type is machine control flag. So first type is condition code flag. This type of register is the lower byte of the 16-bit flag register. Okay, lower bits means from 0 to 7. These are the lower bits of your flag register, and from 8 to 15, these are the upper bits of your flag register. This lower bits is called as a LSB, least significant bits, and this upper bits is called as a most significant bits. Okay, so the condition code flag contains the lower 7 bit of your flag register, also along with your overflow flag. The overflow flag is present on the bit 11. Okay, so all these flags come under the condition code flag, that is carry flag, parity flag, auxiliary carry flag, zero flag, sign flag, and after that overflow flag. Okay, now second type of register is machine control flag. Okay, so the machine control flag register is the higher bits of your flag register. Okay, but it contain only three flag, that is direction flag, interrupt flag, and trap flag. Okay, as you see in the figure, it is only contain three flag, that is the direction flag, trap flag, and interrupt flag, which are present on the bits 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now I will explain one by one all these flag. First, I will explain the condition code flag or status flag. The first flag is sign flag. The sign flag is present on the bit 7, and this flag is set when the result of your computation is negative. Okay, the result of your operation is negative, then this flag set. Set means it contains 1. Okay, instead of SF we write there 1. If you write 1, then flag is set. If you write 0, then flag is reset. So the sign flag will set when the result of operation contain negative sign. Okay, after that there is a 0 flag. Okay, and this flag is set when the result of your computation is 0, means the result of your operation is 0, then the 0 flag will set. Then the third flag is the parity flag. Okay, this flag is set to 1 if the lower byte of your operation contains even number of 1. Means if you perform the addition of 16-bit data, then the lower 8 bits of your result contains even number of 1, then this parity flag will set. Okay. Now after that there is a carry flag. Okay. The carry flag is on the bit 0. Okay. This flag is set when there is a carry out of MSB. Okay. Means आपका जो MSB है, okay, that is the last bit. Okay. Last bit contains if carry, means if carry is generated from the MSB, or borrow in case of subtraction will generated from the MSB, then this flag will set. Okay. Means carry flag will set when the carry generated from MSB in case of addition and borrow generated in case of subtraction, then the carry flag will set. Otherwise it is reset, that is 0. Okay. Then there is a overflow flag. Okay. Condition code flag contains overflow flag also, which are present in bit number 11. This flag will set if an overflow occurs. Now overflow means the result of your operation is large enough to accommodate in a destination register. Means your result is not 16-bit. It contains one carry. Means the data become a 17 bits. Means we cannot store that data in your any register. That means the overflow occurs if the result of operation is large enough to accommodate in a destination register, then overflow flag will set. Okay. Now the second type of flag register is, that is the machine control flag. In machine control flag, the first flag is trap flag. Okay. And this trap flag is set when the processor enter in a single step execution mode. Okay. Now single step execution mode means in this mode the processor execute only single instruction at the time and then stop its execution. Okay. Means in a single step execution mode, processor will execute only one instruction, and after the completion of that instruction the processor stop the execution. Okay. And this flag will set if the processor enter in a single step execution mode. In this operation there is a trap interrupt is generated after the execution. Then processor execute the instruction and control is transferred to the trap interrupt service routine. Okay. Means after the completion of execution of instruction, the control will transfer to the trap interrupt service routine. Okay. Now there is a interrupt flag. Okay. Now interrupt means interrupt is a signal. Interrupt is a signal which stop the execution of current instruction and transfer processor to the न्यू इंस्ट्रक्शन. मीन्स जो एग्जीक्यूशन करंट इंस्ट्रक्शन का प्रोसीड में है वो स्टॉप हो जाएगा एंड प्रोसेसर विल गोज टू द न्यू इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर एग्जीक्यूशन. ओके. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ए इंटरप्ट. नाउ our interrupt flag which is present on the bits 9. Okay. This flag is set when the maskable interrupt is recognized by the processor. What I said? the maskable interrupt is recognized by the processor, then the flag will set. If the interrupt is not recognized by the processor, then it is reset. Okay. Now what is the meaning of maskable? Maskable. I already told you what is interrupt. Now maskable means maskable interrupt is an interrupt which can be ignored by the processor. Okay. Maskable interrupt is an interrupt which is ignored by the processor, and the non-maskable interrupt is cannot be ignored by the processor. Okay, there are two types of interrupt: maskable, non-maskable. Maskable interrupt can be ignored by the processor, but non-maskable interrupt cannot be ignored by the processor. Okay, and the interrupt flag is set when the maskable interrupt is recognized by processor. Now the direction flag, and this flag is used to string manipulation instruction. Okay, if the flag bit is 0, then string proceed beginning from lowest address to highest address. Otherwise it is proceed from highest address to lowest address. Okay, this flag is used for string manipulation operation. Okay, so all this about the flag register. Okay, student, if you like my video, please like my channel and don't forget to subscribe it. In the next video I will start pin diagram of 8086. Thank you.